Hello, my name is Jim. I work at the zoo. I am a zookeeper. I look after animals at the zoo. I spend all my day here. I watch and feed the animals. I know a lot about them. Today I am waiting for Tom and Anne. They want to know some interesting things about wild animals, and I'm going to tell them. I see my friends are coming now. I'm happy to see you. I hope you remember how to behave at a zoo. You mustn't touch the animals. You mustn't feed them. You must be calm and careful in a zoo. First, let me tell you about the zoo. There are a lot of different animals at the zoo. They are from all over the world. Look at the map. You can see a lot of animals. Lions, kangaroos, elephants, giraffes, koalas, pandas, leopards, and rhinos. There is a big bird area, and there is an aquarium. You can see exotic fish from different seas and oceans. And we have a terrarium. You can see different snakes and lizards there. For example, a cobra, a python, an iguana, a chameleon, and others. Now let's go and I'll show you the animals I look after. Look at the bears. They are big. They have got brown fur. They have a big head with small ears. Bears have large paws with long claws. They live in the forests. They like berries, roots, fish, and meat. They can eat everything. They are omnivorous. But if they are angry, they can attack people. They live in North America, Europe, and Asia. Bears can be black, brown, or white. Polar bears are white. They are the biggest bears. They have small ears to keep warm. They weigh 800 kilos. Their skin is black, but their fur is always white. And they have a black nose. They can swim well and run fast. They eat fish and meat. They are carnivorous, and they live in the Arctic. Now I want to show you the monkeys. I like them very much. They are very funny, and I spend a lot of time watching them. Monkeys are not as stupid as people think. They have got a language. They can speak to each other. They eat everything. They eat fruit, insects, mice, and birds' eggs. Monkeys are omnivorous. Giraffes live in Africa. They live in groups. They are brown and white. I know they can be very tall, about 6 meters. And they have black tongues. They only sleep 2 hours a day. They only eat plants and need 6 kilos per day. Giraffes are herbivorous. And zebras, of course. Zebras look like horses. They are from the same family. They live in groups. They have black skin like polar bears. They are black and white. They eat plants and grass. So they are herbivorous like giraffes. I would like to show you the bird area now. Follow me. Look at the peacocks and pink flamingos. They are very beautiful. They have fantastic feathers. I think peacocks are the most beautiful birds in the world. They can fly. They can be completely white. Their homeland is India. They eat seeds, berries, and fruit. But flamingos eat shellfish and watergrass. They live in Africa, India, and Europe. They can be different colors. There are pink, white and pink, or red flamingos. Well, it's 7 o'clock. It's time to feed the animals. I have to go. I hope now you know a lot about wild animals. You can tell your friends about bears, polar bears, monkeys, giraffes, and zebras. You know what they look like and what they prefer to eat. Next time I'll show you some other animals. See you!